Are you constantly looking for ways to lower your tax bill? Today, we'll talk about the most common write-offs for S-Corps. I'm Marissa from Collective, the formation, tax, and accounting solution for self-employed people. Now, let's talk more about S-Corp tax write-offs. First, what is a tax write-off? A tax write-off refers to a business expense that can be deducted to reduce your taxable income. Tax write-offs are sometimes called tax deductions, business expenses, or simply write-offs. The IRS says that for an expense to be a write-off, it must be ordinary, which means it's common in your industry, and necessary, meaning it's required to run your business. Common business expenses include things like contract labor, insurance, travel, advertising, office expenses, or accounting fees. We've got a more comprehensive list of common business expenses in the links below. Tax write-offs can also be more specific to your industry. For example, a real estate agent may have a higher mileage deduction because their job requires them to drive to different locations. A photographer might have higher equipment and software costs to keep their gear and editing software up to date. If you work remotely, you may be entitled to write off a portion of your home office expenses. Since you're an S-Corp owner, one of the best ways to account for a home office is through an accountable plan. An accountable plan is a process that allows you to be reimbursed by your S-Corp for home office expenses. This process ensures that those reimbursements are properly recorded as a business expense on your books. You're allowed to write off a portion of expenses associated with maintaining your home office. This can include rent or mortgage, HOA fees, homeowner's insurance, or your utility bill. In order to deduct these expenses through your S-Corp, the space must be exclusively and regularly used for business. A home office could be a dedicated room in your house or a section of your studio apartment where your desk is permanently set up for work. The IRS won't allow you to deduct your entire rent or utility bill as a business expense, so you'll apply a business use percentage to these costs. You can also deduct a portion of these expenses related to the use of your personal cell phone and home internet through your accountable plan. An S-Corp can also provide traditional employee benefits to you, like a 401k matching plan or health insurance. Any contributions your S-Corp makes to your retirement plan becomes a dollar-for-dollar tax write-off. Health insurance premiums paid by your S-Corp will also become a deduction that ultimately lowers your tax bill. Also, since you're now on payroll under your S-Corp, your owner's salary and the payroll taxes become business write-offs. And there you have it, a guide to tax write-offs for S-Corps. If you need more help with your self-employed business, go to collective.com and learn how we can help you with your business formation, taxes, accounting, and bookkeeping. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more self-employed tax tips. Bye!